Hello beautiful, welcome to day 4 of December daily uploads. Today's shout out goes to Alessia W. I hope I pronounced your name right. Thank you so much dear for commenting on my videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and join the family, and if you're already a subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. You are the best. So let's get into the tutorial. The frontal that I'm working with today, I didn't make it myself. I got it from Take a Lot. Yeah, so the knots were big and I had to bleach it. I wanted to use the frontal for a braided wig, so yeah, I had to bleach it so that the knots can look a little bit nicer. Right here I'm using excellent bleaching kit. I also got this from Take a Lot, and we have to use it for like 30 to 45 minutes, and I didn't keep it for too long guys, because I wanted to use this frontal for a braided wig. So the more you bleach your knots, the more your hair will get weaker, and I didn't want it to be weak, because when you braid your hair will be tighter. So I still wanted the hair to be strong, and I also wanted the roots to be bleached just a little bit so that it will look nicer. So right there I did empty the entire pack of the bleach, but guys, this was more than enough for one frontal. I had to bleach at the closures. Luckily I had other closures to bleach, but we have to use like half or less than half for one frontal. So right there I'm mixing the bleaching powder and the cream peroxide together until I have a buttery consistency. If you do get this bleach guys, make sure you don't do this mistake that I did right here, to use the entire pack unless you have other closures to bleach. Yeah, so continue mixing. So I did use the entire pack of the bleaching powder as well as the entire bottle of the cream peroxide. Yeah, so continue mixing, and make sure you mix until all the lumps, like you get rid of all the lumps. You don't want it to have any lumps when you're bleaching. You want it to be as smooth as you can get it. These lumps, make sure you mix until these lumps are soft guys. So I continue to mix until I get this buttery consistent, and yeah, this is how I mix the bleach guys. And I really love this bleach guys. I really loved it, and I bought another one. It's now my go-to bleach for bleaching my closures guys. I love it. So after this I applied less spray on my hair so that I can brush it back. I don't want any of the hairs to get bleached on top right here, so I'm applying glamour less spray, and then I'm going to use my Bristol brush to brush the hair backwards so that nothing will be at the front, and this way the bleach will not bleach the hair. Like, make sure you spray your hair, lay it flat, and then the bleach you apply it underneath the lace. So flip your lace like that, and then I'm going to place it and start applying my bleach guys. Like I said before, as you can see right there on the frontal, the middle part of the frontal, you can see that it is way darker than the sides, because the knots right there were big. I think they were picking like 5 strands of hair, so I had to bleach. The knots were big, so I started by applying my bleach right there at the middle part of the frontal, because that is where I needed like the roots to be like more lighter. As you can see how dark it was looking right there. So I applied it, and then I continued to apply on the side. I didn't apply pressure when I was doing this, because I didn't want the bleach to seep through too much. So I just applied it. Make sure you are gentle with it. Don't put too much pressure. Just apply gently on the frontal. And then guys, like I said before, this was more than enough. So if you do get this bleach, make sure you just mix half or less than half, and you can save it for another time. So continue apply, and I did leave the bleach on for like 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes max. I didn't leave it for too long, because I didn't want the knots to be, I didn't want the bleach on the hair for too long, because the bleach weakens the hair when you keep it for too long on your hair, and there are high chances of over bleaching. Yeah, so I didn't want it to bleach the hair too much. I just wanted it to lighten the hair just a little bit. And guys, this is how it's looking like underneath the frontal right there. And after 15 minutes I did wash the hair, and I used my shampoo, my purple shampoo. So this is how the knots were looking like. Yeah, so this is the purple shampoo that I used guys. There was load shedding Load shedding. So as you can see, it's darker right there, but I used my phone to film this part right here so that I had to show you guys. Like 15 minutes were up and electricity was gone, and I had to wash this off. Yeah, so that is how I did it. Just apply your paper shampoo and massage through your hair. I did this process 3 times to make sure that the bleach is deactivated, and this is how I did it, guys. This is how I bleached this frontal. As you can see, the knots, they are bleached, guys. No over bleaching, just perfect for a braided wig. You don't want to over bleach for a braided wig because your hair is going to be weak, and when you're braiding, your hair is going to break. So this is how the frontal was looking like after, guys. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 5 of our December daily uploads. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the family. Thank you so much, guys. Like the video, comment and share. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.